Hi everybody, it is Sunday and I'm kicking off this week with a Valentine's Day themed styling. So today I am doing a class with my husband and we're gonna make a charcuterie board, if that's how you say it. There's a place that I did candle making last weekend with a girlfriend, and this weekend they're doing these boards, so I'm bringing my husband along and we thought it was a good activity for us to do. We can make it together and he can come home and eat it. So I'm wearing all pink and red this week in honor of Valentine's Day. This is a new sweater that I got over the holiday. It's by One State. I think I got it for around $30 from Nordstrom. It was on clearance. It has the balloon sleeves. It's rib styling. It's viscose cotton and I think polyester blend. It's nice and lightweight and very comfortable. It does run large. This is a double extra small and you can see how voluminous it is on me. So I give it a little front tuck to give it some shape. I have it paired with my denim Liverpool skirt that I got from a Front Door Fashion. And I have on my Dolce Vita knee-high boots in taupe. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Monday and I'm continuing on with my Valentine's Day outfits. So today is a very dressy outfit. I don't think I would wear this to work. I think this is more of like maybe a business suit evening attire outfit. And yes, I'm just sitting at home working from home wearing this today. Why did I choose this outfit? Well, I am digging deep into my closet and really trying to give love to clothes that I have not worn in a while. I still like them. It's just that my lifestyle really doesn't call for it anymore. I'm not going to buy these kind of clothes anymore, but I don't want to get rid of them because they barely got used. Because I lost the weight in 2018 and I started buying more clothes from 2018 through 2020, and then that's when life changed. In case you're wondering, I don't like my yesterday's outfit either. You're probably like, well, what is she thinking? I didn't realize when I looked in the mirror, it looked great. When I look back at the footage, I'm like, not so much, so I won't be wearing that again. All right, enough with today's outfit. And today I'm wearing a completely White House Black Market outfit, but it's not like a set. It was bought over different times. First is this like military style in blazer. It has the tie here, buttons all the way up. I will take it off so you can see the blouse that I'm wearing underneath. It's, I know it's kind of dated with this choker collar look, but I still like this blouse. I think it's kind of sexy and it's a great like Valentine's Day blouse. I guess it's kind of paisley, and it has like the little bow here in the back. The pants are also White House Black Market. I think I got these when I first lost the weight, and to be honest with you, I'm not sure if I ever even wore them. I mean, they didn't have the tags on them or anything. Maybe I wore them 2 or 3 times, but they're just a black pair of pants in this crop type of style with a little cuff here at the bottom. They're not quite as skinny. I would say I would call them a slim straight, so I think I could still get away with wearing them and not look too dated. And I'm wearing my black heels because I really didn't have anything else to go with this type of outfit. And this is my outfit for today, day 2 of celebrating Valentine's Day. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Tuesday. Went to the gym this day in the rain, and by the time I came out, it was changing over to freezing ice. And now it's snowing, and they're predicting 7 to 8 inches in our area. Who knew? All right, what am I wearing today? Again, I'm not going anywhere, staying at home. I am wearing this black velvet blazer by Steve Madden that I got from Stitch Fix Freestyle. I think it was last year. Underneath, I am wearing a pink Rachel Purcell blouse. I wanted to show you these sleeves. So they're like a half sleeve that kind of, I guess, give it like a little bit of a trumpet sleeve because it has the elastic, plus it has the puff sleeves and the square neck. Come a little closer, Swiss dot all over it. Cute little blouse. I believe I got this from Nordstrom probably back in 2020. Maybe Trunk Club, maybe Nordstrom, not 100% positive. With it, I have paired my White House bling jeans that I got last year. So I know you guys can't see it, but there's like rhinestones, pearls, and then pinkish colored pearls. So it works with the pink in my Valentine's Day theme. And my shoes are by Vince Camuto. These are short little booties. Nobody could tell they're short, and they're in black suede to kind of go with the velvet jacket. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of style. Hi everybody, it is Wednesday. That's what it is, it's Wednesday and it's Valentine's Day. So in honor of Valentine's Day, I am wearing this red cashmere sweater that I got from Macy's. It's by Charter Club. I do not recommend this sweater. Cashmere is supposed to be soft and luxurious, and this cost me more than my quince sweater, and it's a little itchy, to be honest with you. It's thinner and it's a little itchy. So as far as the quality go, quince definitely beats Macy's brand, and I would go even better that my Reformation beats the quince brand, but Reformation has a much higher price point, where the quince sweater was less than this sweater. So only reason why I kept this is I was definitely looking for a red cashmere sweater. It was on sale, but it's still, to me, this is not worth the money, but I'm glad I have it. I'm not gonna get rid of it. It is a red cashmere sweater, albeit very thin and a tad bit itchy. Has the V-neck, which I like too, which is also sometimes a little bit harder to find. With it, I have paired a pair of black velvet jeans by White House Black Market. However, I purchased these on the secondhand market, new with tags, via Poshmark, and they were under $30 because I refuse to pay more than $30 from anything from Poshmark. And I paired on my suede, or maybe they're even faux suede, Jessica Simpson mules, because I wanted to be comfy and casual today, and I'll probably kick these off at my desk, and if my feet get cold, I'll throw on my slippers. And this is my comfy, casual outfit from working from home today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Thursday, just one more day left till Friday. Went back to the gym today, had my workout, ran to the grocery store to pick up a few things. We're gonna get more snow on Saturday. All right, what am I wearing today for this working from home and continuing the Valentine's Day theme, even though Valentine's is over? I am wearing this red cardigan that I got many years ago from Macy's, in-house name brand, I believe, Karen Scott, nothing special. With it, I have paired a very old 41 Hawthorne surplice wrap top. They still have these in their inventory. It's kind of crazy. It doesn't have the little tie here, which you can't see because of my cardigan, the cute little bow tie here in the back that if you weren't wearing the cardigan, you can see it. I tend to wear a cardigan with this because this is the mixed media. They do pretty well in disguising the mixed media since it is a solid color, but the material in the back is different than the material in the front. It's one of the very few mixed media tops I still own. With it, I have paired my Lola jeans from a Front Door Fashion, my very first one. These kind of have the cute tuxedo stripe here where it's a darker wash, and then they sewed material on and a lighter wash and have this little fringing here on the side. And my ivory boots. One thing to note, these jeans are too long for me. They're a straight leg. All I do is cuff them under, and they seem to stay cuffed like that, so I don't feel the need to actually hem them. I rarely bring my clothes to get altered anymore, because anytime I have in the past, I wound up spending significant amount of money and the clothes come out looking kind of funny. So I'd rather not spend my money on something that I'm not happy with and just buy things that fit right the first time. And yeah, this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Friday, 5 p.m. Yabba dabba doo. Work is over, long weekend. I'm coming at you at Hot Mess Express. This is the first time I've been able to film. I was pretty much on my computer all day, and anytime I had any break, we had people in the house working on the house, and now my husband is frantically cleaning up after them. New alarm system put in, showers regratted, you know, all that fun stuff. So what am I wearing today? I am wearing a very springtime outfit, but in continuing the tradition of Valentine's Day, I'm wearing my pink moto jacket. Again, very springy, and my Tarte sleeveless little blouse that I got from, I think it was my first, I think I got it my first Front Door Fashion and I had to send it back because I couldn't afford it, and I got it my second one, and I'm like, I am not sending this back again. I really love this blouse. I think it's so pretty. And with it, I have paired my cut from the cloth split hem jeans and my ivory boots. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for my final day of styling. Hi everyone, it is Saturday and we woke up to about 5 inches of wet snow. We were expecting snow, but we were kind of expecting it to be tapered off by the time we were done, and we were expecting more like 3 inches. It ended up being more than 5 inches, and it is, I think, still going out there. It might be just, flurries and whatnot, or maybe just dropping from the trees, but it's more than we expected, and my gym class was canceled because of it. There were later gym classes that I could have taken, but I took it as a sign as my body kind of needs some rest. I'm kind of achy, so I'll redo my schedule. I'll go tomorrow, Monday, and Tuesday, and thus getting into my time. What am I wearing today? Well, I didn't put on any jewelry, and I just realized that now. I had this outfit picked out because I'm still wearing Valentine's for the week, and this is a pink blouse by Vera Moda. Let me come a little bit closer so you can see that how it's texturized. It is polyester, but it's a soft polyester. It's not scratchy, but it is texturized. It's that wrap style, like a faux wrap, so no chance of going open. I could get away without a cami under this, but it is pretty deep low V, and because of the weather and the snow, I said, an extra layer could not hurt. With it, I have paired my Days denim. This was all planned to have these denim with them. What wasn't planned were my shoes. So I typically would not pair these shoes. They're a very casual shoe with a big clunky heel and a thick sole. These are waterproof, and that is why I chose these boots. They're the Dolce Vita caster booties. They're these are really, I know there's a heel and you're like, how can you walk around in heels in the snow? It's a thick sole and a thick heel, so you don't feel that cold or wet coming underneath. And I can manage a heel pretty well. Like, to me, this doesn't even feel like a heel on me. So yeah, this is my outfit for today. I think I will put on some jewelry because I feel a little bit naked right now. And what am I doing today? Well, because of the weather, not too much. Originally, we had planned to go visit my daughter. She has a long weekend too. And instead of come to us all the way, which is a little bit further, she's spending time at my mother-in-law's. So instead of, we were just at my mother-in-law's 2 weeks ago, but because my daughter's there and they're there together, we thought we were gonna go visit them today, but they got hit worse than us. So we'll probably just go tomorrow and visit them. So I know I need to go to the post office to return some Stitch Fix items, and I'm gonna try, my husband's gonna drive me because he doesn't feel comfortable with me driving in the snow. Yes, I've had accidents in the snow before. And yeah, this is what I'm wearing, and I'm gonna try and convince him to go to Target because I want some little cubes to put my denim in. I saw a video, I think on, was it YouTube or TikTok, and how, wow, it's amazing and how organized my pants are now that I put them in the cubes and fold them vertically, in a cube. So I'm like, really? Well, I'll give it a try. I have one, and I want a couple more to have like a matching set and put all my jeans in it. So hopefully I can find what I'm looking for, and yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Take care, and that's it for this week. Give me a thumbs up, click that notification bell, and comment. Take care until next time.